To troubleshoot common issues with linking your airline account to Awardwallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the correct login credentials for your airline account, including your username and password. Next, verify that your airline account is eligible for linking, as some accounts may have restrictions. Check the Awardwallet website for a list of supported airlines and their specific requirements. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Then attempt to link your account again. This can resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted browser data. Another common issue is mismatched account information, such as your name or email address. Make sure the details on your airline account match those on your Awardwallet account, as discrepancies can prevent successful linking. Additionally, be aware of airline-specific requirements, such as two-factor authentication or security questions. Ensure you have the necessary information readily available to complete the linking process. If you have tried these steps and are still experiencing issues, contact Awardwallet support for further assistance. They can provide personalized guidance and help resolve any technical problems. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and easily link your airline account to Awardwallet and start tracking your rewards and loyalty programs with ease. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and be mindful of airline-specific requirements to avoid any potential issues.